Okay, this is definitely a maiden flight for this one. It's more like a work in progress because I could not decide yet where to put the battery. I think it will go in the front here, but because of the little wings at the side, I think it will affect the CG, so the theoretical CG anyway. But this is a beauty. I mean, I love the look of it. It's got plenty potential, but whereas the vertical stabilizer is not there, it's replaced by the two side wings. So really, it's going to be a lot of work before this wing can fly, I'm pretty sure. But a new day, a new challenge. Are you ready to start? Yes? All right. Put an old motor here, so watch your fingers. Yes. Well, we're going to try our best. That's what we'll do. I'll try this way first, and then if this battery is not powerful enough, we'll use the good one. Are you ready? Ah, we're in the air today! Unbelievable. I'm just taking it really easy because in fact I'm going to climb a bit so that I can. Well, you see, my darling, this one I really didn't expect it to work the first time. I haven't been yet going that way because, okay, that's okay. Dropping the power. Oof. All right. Let's see. I find the colors a bit confusing to know which way it goes. Right now, I'm still playing against the wind. I'm shouting. I don't need to shout now with this new mic. Yeah. Just to get the feel of it. There's no wind, but this little breeze is enough. It turns super slow. Right, because we've got stuff at our back, I'm just going to move forward a bit. If we can move with me. And this way I'll try to come closer to you. See, I don't want to drop it because I got a feeling I would lose. You can move forward of me if you want a little bit. Right, we'll try. Yup. Okay, I think it's nose heavy. Because look, when I drop the power, it really drops. That's amazing, love. It's no vertical stabilizer, and it's supposed to be really well. People have been building planes with vertical stabilizers forever, and it flies. Sorry, it flies. It's a different feel. It's a bit slower. I don't. Okay. Well, I've got. I'm going to come. I'm going to do some slow.